Most men don't talk about it, but the truth is that difficulty maintaining a strong erection affects far more than just the bedroom. It impacts confidence, strains relationships, and can even put marriages at risk. With each failed attempt, frustration builds, and soon the fear of failure takes over. It's a silent battle many men fight alone, but they don't have to. What if I told you there's a proven way to restore both firmness and pleasure without unnecessary suffering? No matter how difficult the situation may seem, there is hope. You can regain control, rebuild your confidence, and restore the connection with your partner. Yet, despite how common this issue is, most men keep it bottled up. It's a subject people shy away from, but its impact on relationships is undeniable. When your body doesn't respond as expected, the toll goes beyond intimacy. It affects your self-esteem, your emotional well-being, and even your happiness. But here's the good news. The solution is often simpler than you think. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to not only regain physical performance, but also strengthen emotional intimacy and boost self-confidence. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more essential insights on men's health and sexual wellness. If you find this information valuable, hit the like button so more people can benefit and drop a comment below. Type 1 if you find this topic helpful or 0 if you think we can improve. Your engagement makes all the difference. The hidden emotional toll of erection issues. For many men, struggling with erectile dysfunction, ED, affects far more than just their sex life. It reshapes how they see themselves. A once confident, outgoing man may start to pull away, avoiding physical contact, feeling undesirable, and doubting his worth. He may start making excuses, dodging intimacy, or even withdrawing emotionally from his partner. The partner notices. The distance grows, misunderstandings arise, and in many cases, the lack of communication creates an emotional wall. What began as a physical issue morphs into a deeper relationship struggle, one that can weaken even the strongest bonds. But the problem isn't always a lack of desire. In fact, it's often quite the opposite. It's the fear of failure that takes over. Anxiety builds, blocking any chance of success, and before long it becomes a vicious cycle that's difficult to break. With each failed attempt, confidence drops, self-esteem erodes, and a man begins to question not just his ability, but his identity. The cycle of silence and anxiety continues. But here's the truth. Erectile difficulties don't have to be permanent. There are solutions, ones that don't just offer temporary fixes, but that restore confidence and connection long-term. Understanding the science. Why this happens as men age, the body undergoes subtle changes that can impact performance. Restricted blood flow. Arteries lose elasticity over time, reducing circulation to key areas. Testosterone decline. This essential hormone drops naturally with age, affecting libido and response. Pelvic floor weakness. These crucial muscles help with erection control, and when they weaken, maintaining firmness becomes a challenge. But there's another crucial factor that often goes unnoticed: stress and anxiety. When stress levels are high, whether from work, financial pressure, or the fear of disappointing a partner, the body releases excess cortisol. This hormone disrupts circulation, making it even harder to achieve and maintain an erection. The worst part? Anxiety about failing increases the likelihood of failure. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more a man worries, the greater the chance of disappointment. Over time, avoidance becomes the default response. But there is a way out, and it starts with breaking the cycle. The power of communication, breaking the silence. One of the most overlooked but powerful solutions is communication. Many men avoid talking about these struggles due to shame, pride, or fear of letting their partner down. But here's what most men don't realize. Silence only makes things worse. Without open conversation, misunderstandings arise. A partner may feel rejected or unattractive, while the man feels isolated and helpless. But when couples communicate, they unlock the ability to work together towards solutions. Most partners are far more understanding and supportive than men fear. Talking about it is the first step toward relief. Proven strategies to regain firmness and confidence. The good news? There are effective and science-backed ways to restore sexual performance and intimacy. Let's explore the best options. 1. Medications. Quick fix, not a cure. Viagra, Cialis, and similar drugs work by improving blood flow, making it easier to achieve an erection. But remember, these don't create desire, they just enhance the body's natural response to stimulation. 2. Testosterone therapy for low T levels. If testosterone levels are low, hormone replacement therapy, HRT, can restore energy, libido, and performance. Always consult a doctor before considering this option. 3. Pelvic floor training, the secret weapon. Kegel exercises strengthen the muscles responsible for erection and ejaculation control. Studies show significant improvements in performance when done consistently. 4. Shockwave therapy, cutting-edge solution. This non-invasive treatment uses low-intensity sound waves to stimulate new blood vessel growth and improve circulation, a promising alternative to medication for long-term benefits. 5. Lifestyle changes, the foundation of lasting results. Exercise regularly, increases blood flow and testosterone. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Foods like beets, watermelon, and leafy greens enhance circulation naturally. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hormone production and lowers libido. 6. Acupuncture and stress management. Some specialists suggest acupuncture can enhance blood flow and reduce anxiety. Meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness also lower stress hormones, improving overall performance. Carlos's story, from struggle to success. Let me share a real-life example. Carlos, a successful businessman, started struggling with performance issues in his early 40s. At first, he brushed it off as stress or fatigue, but as months passed, the issue persisted. He began avoiding intimacy, distancing himself from his wife, and withdrawing emotionally. Silence grew between them, and their relationship suffered. But then something changed. Carlos opened up to his wife. Instead of judgment, he found understanding and support. Together, they sought professional advice, made lifestyle adjustments, and explored treatment options. With time, not only did Carlos regain his confidence and performance, but he also rebuilt a deeper, more fulfilling connection with his wife. His story proves that the path to recovery is real. Final thoughts. You are not alone. If you're struggling with erection difficulties, know this. You are not alone, and you don't have to suffer in silence. There are solutions available, whether through lifestyle changes, medical treatments, or open conversations with your partner. Taking the first step can make all the difference. Start today. Reclaim your confidence. Reignite your connection. You deserve it.